Hey guys, before we get started, just wanted to let you know that I really do appreciate y'all for all of your support. My numbers don't increase just because of me. It's because of you. When you hit that subscribe button, when you decide to watch, like, and leave your kind remarks. I couldn't do it without y'all's support. And I don't say this because it's customary. I say this because I am truly humbled and grateful. Thank you guys. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. I'm Nita and Nita's Home and Lifestyle TV. If you are new, then welcome. But if you are a returning family member, you already know what to do. Dust your feet off and get on in here. Because today, guys, we are doing a clean and decorate with me kitchen for spring. And so, guys, I'm ready to jump right into this because I want to go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing in here. As always, you know, I'm keeping it very simple, adding in some touches here and there. But again, keeping it light and airy. I'm enjoying my beautiful new paint job, guys. So I just feel like my place is just so new, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the feel that I'm getting from it. I love that it doesn't feel tight and closed in or congested, but it's just so open and bright and light and airy, and I love it. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video with you guys today, and you guys remember, let me tell y'all about this little shirt here thing I got on, shirt, dress, whatever. It's a dress, y'all. But I showed y'all this dress in a haul a while back, and I never had worn it yet. So I was excited to put this little dress on today, y'all. And let me tell you, I went to put the dress on, and honey, I just popped all the damn buttons off. The buttons just went to flying every damn well. I just said, it ain't even no dress no more. I couldn't even wear the thing as a dress no more, y'all. I had planned I cleaned up the kitchen really good. I got a few clips for y'all. I did most of my deep cleaning off camera. And then I said, you know what, I'll go get dressed and then I'll come back and do the decorating part, you know, after I get dressed because I got somewhere to go. So I put this little dress here on and I thought I was gonna be sick. Like, all the damn buttons went to flying everywhere, y'all. But anyway, I had to make it into a whole nother outfit. It's a shirt with another shirt and some pants. But anyway, it's gonna work. But oh Lord have mercy. Oh Lord, and I've been praying. I said, Lord, help me stop with my cussing, cause I've been trying, y'all. I've been trying, and I've narrowed it down to only 2 cuss words. I've been praying. I say, God, you gotta bridle my tongue so that I can, you know, bring it down a notch, And y'all, I've been saying only 2 cuss words, and that's damn and ass, And I really don't think that those are cuss words, to be honest, because hell, what, damn is a structure or barrier that kind of keeps water out, right? Or damn meaning condemned, or, you know, that's damn is a word. And what's ass? Ass is simply a donkey. So why I can't say damn and ass? I asked them, and I'm waiting on them, and I'm trying to see what the Lord gonna tell me if I can use them or not, but I need to keep them as part of my vocabulary. Y'all know I need those words when I'm dealing with my baby Brandon, because he don't understand regular language sometimes, and I gotta have some choice words to help him stay. Y'all listen, I tried to substitute these words for other words, and my baby just don't, he laughed at me when I just try to be normal. When I try to be normal, he laughed at me. But when I say, Brandon, get your goddamn ass over here. Then his whole demeanor changed. He like, and he looking at me like I'm crazy. And now I'm like, what I done? What I did? Now I'm wrong. Why I'm wrong? Because I cussed. Why I'm wrong? Hell, didn't Kirk Franklin cuss his son out? And everybody in the church and everybody forgave him? So can I say damn and ass? Oh God. Y'all, but I'm waiting on the Lord to tell me. I'm waiting on him to say, you know what, Nita, you can go ahead and, and in the meantime, I'm going to have to use them because I need them, y'all. I need them. They're very effective communication when I'm talking to Brandon, because that's the only language he understands when it comes from me. But anyway, y'all, sometimes the Lord said you gotta be still to hear from me. And I ain't still yet. That's why I ain't get the answer from him yet. But I'm gonna be still so he can tell me what to do. Y'all, let's go ahead and decorate this place. Starting here in my spice and seasoning drawers, I'm gonna just remove everything and I'm gonna give it a good wipe down. I removed my range hood filter and then I soaked it in a little Dawn detergent and vinegar to break up the buildup that it collects, and then I just used a scouring pad to clean it. I'm wiping out my garbage drawer, which I don't use for garbage, but for recycling. We put all of our recyclable items here, such as our plastic bottles, paper, and etc. I'm removing some built-up food and other stains from my stovetop using Weeman's Glass Cooktop Cleaner. And I rubbed it on, and then I just lightly scrubbed the stovetop with a scouring pad. And then next I take a blade and scrape off more of the stubborn stains. And yes, it is safe to use the blade on the stovetop. It does not damage it. I remove all of the cleaner with a wet microfiber cloth, and then I just dry it off completely with some paper towels. And if you guys are still here, I do want to say thanks for watching. And here I just placed my stainless steel stove top cover on top of the stove, and then I'm just going to clean it with some stainless steel cleaner. Notice these white wires dangling from my side is from a little device that provides mild electrical stimulation to muscle and nerves that helps to relieve pain. If you ever had an injury that requires some type of therapy treatment, they may have used these on you. I have back complications, 2 herniated discs, and if I'm not careful when I work out, I can agitate them. And then I have back pain for weeks. This little machine brings me so much relief. It's portable. I can wear it under my clothes. It is an awesome machine. Now, this machine is not a collaboration or promotion for any company. I just wanted to let you guys know. But let's move into what is a collaboration. This is an electrical spin scrubber from TILSWALL. They sent this to me for me to review. And here's the pamphlet. And it comes with 4 brush heads, all in different sizes and shapes as well. And this is the handle. The handle does house the power button, and it also controls the different speeds. And here are the 2 attachments, which makes it longer or either shorter. And this one has a neck that adjusts the angle to help you get into hard to reach spaces. And of course, this is the charger cord, and also a hook for wall mounting and for storing the machine. And here I'm just going to assemble the pieces together and try it out at the base of my kitchen cabinets, where it collects a lot of dirt and debris. Usually I'm on my hands and knees to get to this area, so this scrubber could not have come at a better time since I have been having this back pain. And here you see me just spraying my Clorox cleaner around the base of the cabinets. And then I am going to try the spin scrubber out now. And again, you can change the speed of the spin for a lighter clean or a heavier clean. I have it set at the highest speed, and it seems to be really powerful. And so to dry up the area, I'm just taking a towel and I'm using the machine as a handle to go along the edges. And as you can see, the before and the after, I think it did a really good job. I will definitely be using this again, and I can't wait to try it out on my shower towel floors. I will leave the information for this spin scrubber in my description box, guys. If you're interested, please be sure to check it out. And as you can see there, I was just going over the entire area with my steam mop. So I just wanted to finish it up with that. And as you can see, a very clean and spotless kitchen ready to be decorated.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. There's a one brief. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. There's nothing moves forward. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Stay together. I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, are we thinking this through? If we're not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what shall we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. 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 Say it to my face.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real?
Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim.
Can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you.
you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't bloom, so get out of my face. Or would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need, yeah. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. Can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you. You are weighing me down. Ay, can't have the rhythm, it's making me no good. And I don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't bloom, so get out of my face. Oh, would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. Yeah, yeah. Inside a cage. Oh, yeah. One more night, one mistake, till we break.
Thank you guys for always staying to the end. And until the next time, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.